Experiencing slow data speeds on Optimum Mobile? Here's why it happens and how to potentially fix it. Optimum Mobile, as an MVNO using Verizon's network, often faces throttling, especially after you've used a certain amount of data. This is called deprioritization, common on unlimited plans after around 22 gigabytes, significantly reducing speeds. You might also experience slowdowns during peak hours due to network congestion. Start by checking your data usage in the Optimum Mobile app to see if you've exceeded your high-speed data limit. If throttling is the issue, consider upgrading to a higher tier plan with a larger data allowance. If throttling isn't the primary issue, incorrect APN settings could be the culprit. Your APN acts as a gateway for your phone to connect to Optimum's network. Ensure your APN settings are correctly configured. Typically, the APN should be set to Optimum Mobile. Specific parameters might vary by device and can usually be found on Optimum's website or by contacting customer support. Other quick fixes include restarting your phone, toggling airplane mode to reset your connection, and ensuring your carrier settings are up to date via the Optimum app. Using Wi-Fi calling when available can also bypass mobile data issues. As a last resort, some users have reported minor improvements by using a VPN, but this isn't a guaranteed solution.